Hi guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to separate data in Excel. Let's get started. Now when you check this, you have a name of a student, his grade, a name of a student and a grade. So how do you separate this to be on separate columns? Let's get started. From here you select everything here, then you press Ctrl G to bring you to this, open up this dialog box for you. Now I want to separate text and numbers. You see this numbers is checked, so you can uncheck this. You can check only text, uncheck numbers, uncheck logicals and errors, then leave only text. Then you click go to. You see it is completely selected. You right click and copy, then you go to your name column, you Ctrl V and paste, then you press the escape key. Now go back here again, select everything, Ctrl G, then you uncheck this, you leave only numbers, uncheck this, you go to beautiful. You right click, you copy, click under the score and Ctrl V, voila, you paste. Now you can come here, select everything and boom, delete. Now you have your data sorted out correctly. Thank you for watching.